Hello, this is Mike from MFWoodShop. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about one of Steve Ramsey's latest videos. It's the Maker Care video. He asked everybody to make an airplane, and it's not a fact of making a project, but it's a fact of making awareness to the Make-A-Wish. And it was just an idea that he had that I thought was great. And I'm more than happy enough to support the Make-A-Wish Foundation. I think it's a great cause, and if you're not involved with Make-A-Wish, I highly encourage you to do so. The kids are sick, and the Make-A-Wish Foundation helps those kids just take their mind off the illness just for a little while. They'll give them a gift of, say Disney World, or, a trip of their desire, and it gives them a little bit of peace for a little bit. And it's really a small thing to us just to donate a little bit of time or money to the Make-A-Wish, so these kids can just have a good time doing whatever they wish to do. So the Make-A-Wish Foundation is a great cause, and I'm so happy to do this for not only Steve Ramsey, but Make-A-Wish Foundation as well. So today I'm going to make a Boeing 747 out of maple, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, I got the project done. I haven't used the lathe in a while, and I really wanted to do something on the lathe. And this was a perfect thing to do. I was looking at some pictures online of airplanes, and you know, the Boeing 747, all the numbers, I don't even know what they are. That one piqued my interest the most, and you know, I was able to turn the body and turn the little jets, and of course everything else I had to shape or cut on the bandsaw or scroll saw or whatever. And I think it turned out quite well. I had every intention of painting this, and after I got it done, I was thinking, I don't want it painted. I like it the way it is. So I'm leaving it just like this. I'm gonna put a coat of lacquer or shellac on it or something, and just hang it up in my ceiling. So again, this project's in a slew of makers care, and it's just to help awareness of Make-A-Wish Foundation. That's really all I got. Hope you liked it, and I'm gonna go hang this up right now.